Hey, what's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Max here, and I just want to say I apologize for not being able to upload more videos for you guys. I actually did plan on doing or uploading more stuff, but unfortunately, I wasn't really that satisfied with the videos, and I kind of want to start afresh with this. The best way to do it is to have another unboxing. And this time I've been waiting for this. I've had this for quite a while now actually. But I just haven't had the time to actually film the video, the unboxing, because I'm actually planning on doing not just an unboxing, but I'm also going to be planning on doing a first initial impression video. So most likely I'm going to do that in a few days once I'm free again. But for now, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I'm also going to be doing quite a few more unboxings for you guys because I actually do have quite a lot to unbox. And they've been sitting here for God knows how long now. And I really do apologize for that. This here right here is the final A5000. I'm going to post a link down below for the reviews I've done for the A4000 and A3000. And those blew me away. For the price, especially, I did not expect those two to be that good. And now, when these were announced, I rushed. I'm just like, yeah, I need to get these. I need to try them out, and I need to make a video. I do write more, but I feel like I want to try to do YouTube a little bit better. I'm going to try my best to do more YouTube videos for you guys. And another thing is, you might see over there that I do have the ZE3000, which is somewhat of a combination of these two's overall tuning. And the ZE8000 is coming up soon too, so I am going to grab a pair. I'm hopeful that I'll be able to do a comparison for you guys as well. All right, enough talking, and let's just unbox this IM, shall we? It does have similar box to the A3000 and A4000, and the design of it is actually quite a bit more different than those two, as you'll see. Let me just grab the A4000 right here, and as you can see, it's also matte, but there's no texture. The texture, I've only seen it on the ZE3000 series of wireless stuff. If you see it here, this actually does have a texture. I'm not sure if you can see it from the camera, but I wish I did have the black version of these because those show it quite a bit more. But yeah, the white one is really clean too. So that's what we have, and even the case actually has that same texture. I'm just not sure if you guys can see it through the video, but yeah, so this time on the A5000, it does have that texture, as you can see in the picture on the box. It does have it. And the other upgrade is the cable. I currently don't have the cable, the stock cable right here right now. It's probably somewhere in my storage, but here it's a really nice upgraded cable. So I'm excited to see that too. So why not start opening this box, shall we? I'm also probably gonna do like a photo shoot with this one too, with the unboxing, but for now, let's just do it on the video. Let's just do this really quick. It's just these easy tape here, and this should just slide out just like that. And as the previous two IEMs, it also does come with, I think it's a similar case as this one here, which is just purely rubber. And obviously it also has the final Type E tips right here. I'm not really going to show that. I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know what it is. And also in the box you see are the ear guides, and these ones are transparent. The ones that came with the A5000, A4000 were actually black, since the cable on that is black. So just aesthetics, I believe. Oh, this is quite a bit heavier. It's still the rubber one, but it is quite a bit heavier. Let's just take a look at that. And here you go. Yeah, that cable is quite the upgrade compared to the previous one. And this is the 3.5 millimeter version. I don't mind that, as this is... I do wish it was I had the option to get a different one, but hey, 3.5 it is. And this I think I've seen this cable before that being sold separately, but I'm not sure if it is the same cable. This look quite a bit thinner. The gauge is probably a lot thinner, but boy, does it look good. All right, let's just unwrap it. Sorry if this is taking quite a bit longer, but hey, I guess it's my return to okay, I'm not gonna do that for now because I am planning on doing a photo shoot with these, so I'm gonna keep that pristine for now. I'm surprised this part, the Y split, wasn't wrapped in plastic as the earphones themselves and the jack. But hey, let's just try to open those up real quick just to show you. There it goes. It says A5000 right there. There's the left earpiece. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see it there, but it does have that textured shell. This texture is really similar to what you find in mirrorless cameras from like Sony and stuff like that. They use this similar coating. It has this nice texture. It's really dope. I like it. I like it a lot. And let's just take a look at the right side. And there you go. It just says final A5000 and the R. Yep, it has that same thing. Same texture. And it is really nice. So yeah, I guess that is quite a quick unboxing. There's nothing really special in the packaging other than that. And for the price, I somewhat expected it. I'm gonna put the pricing of everything, like probably in the description, or I'll just put an annotation somewhere here. But yeah, I think I got it for around 300, I believe, 300 Canadian dollars, about 380, around there. On the next video, I'm definitely going to be showing more of how it sounds initially. And the box actually does say everything about it. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same size of a driver. It's still a single dynamic driver, but I think they improved upon the tech inside. I believe they called it the F-Core, something like that. The technology that they have on it. But yeah. Well, I hope you guys like that short video. Not necessarily short, since I think this is running at like, what, 10 minutes now. I hope I can provide you guys with more videos this year. I'm going to try my best to like actually provide those said videos. Because I do have probably 1, 2... I'm looking at the boxes behind me and everything else beside me that I still need to do an unboxing for, because right now I do have, I'm guessing, 7 products right here. And some of those products are quite exciting. Let me actually just show you guys a sneak peek of one of them. So here it is. This is one of Effect Audio's newest line of cables, and this is the Cadmus. This is their silver plated, I think it says there as well. Yeah, is there a silver plated copper cable? I'm excited to try these out as well. I've had the prototype of these a while back. It's really good. I want to see the new hardware and stuff like that. It's been here for a long time, honestly. It's just that I haven't had time to do an unboxing, because I really wanted to do an unboxing as well. But yeah, there you go. So this is probably the next one that I'll be unboxing. And I do have two other cables to unbox for you guys. One is also from Effect Audio, and that is quite an interesting cable. And I can't wait to show that to you guys as well. But that's enough from me. Hey, you might have been surprised. It's in this video as well. So I decided to just combine these two videos. I actually don't know if I'm going to combine them, but if you're seeing this after the unboxing video, then here we go. The initial first impressions are going to be here already. Because, why not put it in one video? I'm not too sure yet how long the unboxing was, but I'm pretty sure I talked a little too much at the end of it. So that might be cut out and just insert this like surprise initial impressions. So I haven't really listened to them yet, and it's been almost a week since I did the unboxings. There's gonna be quite a difference between that video and this. I've just been really busy recently, but hey, I have the earphones here now. Man, this cable is just so much nicer than the previous cables. Yep, I also put the final E tips on here. I want to go completely stock. I'm just gonna put in my ear. Let's see how this goes. All right, that seals really well, just like the other ones. And as you can see, they fit really well as well. It's exactly what I expected from Final, and they've been really good at that. Like, I'm pretty sure quite a lot of people are going to be using the Apple dongle anyway, so I'm just going to use that for this initial impressions. It's pretty good enough for what it is. Just going to use the phone. Let's see. Most likely the songs I'm going to be putting them down somewhere here, or most likely at the description, like what songs I'm going to be listening to. I'm probably just going to listen through about, I don't know, 5 songs, or maybe even less. Let's see. I just want to hear how the bass, mids, and the treble is going to be, and a little bit on the sound staging and detail. Let's see how that is. Let's just start with something I've been listening to recently, which is Baby by Aya Nakamura. It's quite a good song, so let's just listen to that. There's going to be quite a lot of bass on this song. Definitely a fan of her voice. I want to hear how her voice sounds with the A5000. All right, not as power hungry as the A3000, I think. Also, I'm sorry if I'm speaking a little too loud now, because I can't hear myself. Let's see. Surprisingly neutral. Bass really goes deep. Yeah, that extends really, really well. Vocals is pretty good. Not as forward as what I expected it to be. I'm not sure if it's just the song. I'm in the chorus right now, and yeah, it's not as forward as I expected. It's really quite neutral. I'm gonna move on to something on my review playlist. I want to hear natural instruments. So right now I'm playing Up Dharma Down's Sigurado. Okay, I bumped up the volume a little bit more, and it actually does need a slightly bit more power. Not as power hungry as the A3000, but still up there. Man, the vocals is... Yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. It's still fairly neutral. Not as bright as the other two IEMs. Like the A4000 and A3000, those are quite a bit brighter than these. I say these are a little bit more tame in the highs, but they're still quite sparkly, which is really, really nice. Imaging is excellent as well. Staging is not the widest I've heard. For this price, imaging is top notch. Okay, now that... there's a part in the song that it feels like her voice actually goes a little bit closer to you. Like she's whispering in your ears. The vocalist, I mean. These actually do a really good job in like showcasing that. It's quite nice. Yeah, bass is... This is exactly what I wanted the A4000 would be like. Like, I still see a place for the A4000 definitely compared to the A3000. It's slightly better, but... And yeah, the cost of the A4000 to jump to that from the A3000 does show that it's just a minute, or like not too much of a big difference, so I get it. But with this one, I feel that the jump in price also quite justifies that price because of the performance of it. Even with just this 2 songs that I've listened to it so far, it shows really, really good detail. Because this imaging is pretty spot on. Oh, the panning. That was great. That was great. Or I'm gonna go for an instrumental. This one is gonna be The Hunt by Senri Kawaguchi. It's gonna be a jazz fusion like instrumental track, because I want to hear more of the cymbals and how it handles that and snare hits. Definitely a more relaxed sound compared to the A3000 and A4000. This is, I can listen to these for hours on end. Like, this is really, really nice. I'm also going to be playing around with the tips a little bit more. So on my full review, I'm definitely going to like tell you if there is something better, if you want a more airy presentation compared to the stock tips, because tips do matter. I'm also going to play around with cables that I'm going to use on these. Definitely watch out for that. It's nice. It's I won't say it's subdued, but it's more relaxed. It's smoother, but still retains that sparkliness. All right, I'm gonna move on to one more Senri Kawaguchi track, and this one is called Real Life, because this track has quite a bit more forward snare hits, and I want to hear that with these. Yeah, it's quite more neutral on the upper mid range. It's not as forward as, like, let's say, I think, yeah, definitely the A4000 has more forwardness in that range. It's somewhat in between of the A3000 and A4000 in terms of the upper mids. I'm definitely going to compare it more to like even quite a bit more higher end IEMs, as I think this can compete pretty well in that range. Like, maybe it can definitely compete in the $500 range. I mean, it could definitely compete in some in the 700s maybe. I'm gonna try to see what other IEMs I have laying around that I can actually compare these to. So far, that is really, really good. Oh, this is just really, really good. All right, so I'm just gonna play one more track, just mainly for bass. So I wanna try, let's use Born Stubborn by Yoko Kanno. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely way more on my full review. I'm very impressed. I was already impressed by the A3000 and A4000, and I was wondering how this jump of a price on the A5000s would like do in that realm, and it's performing way higher than I expected. So definitely let's see if in the long term if my opinions would change, because I'm gonna be comparing it side by side with other stuff. But for now, I can completely say that these are top-notch IEMs. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not going to be too much, because I don't want to give out too much information without like actually doing a proper review of it. But yeah, there it goes. And I hope you do stay tuned for the next one. I'm not sure when I'm actually going to be finishing it. I'm hoping I can do it in like 2 weeks from now, or 2 weeks after I upload this, maybe. We'll see. But I'm planning on uploading this. What date is it today? Today is actually February 15th. So hopefully 2 weeks after this, you'll see the video, or maybe a week after this. Yeah. All right. So have a good one, guys. Later.